scammers might be doing their stuff and they meet someone who want to pay in cryptocurrency, they will give your name to make payment and you release them crypto. This is what has been going on. This is how they go about doing stuff. So you might be there doing your stuff in good faith without knowing that someone has used your name to scam someone else somewhere, and they'll be thinking that you are the one who is a scammer, whereas they are the ones who use your detail through Binance P2P.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch.
Binance P2P is a platform where you can make lots of money and also lose money. In this video, I'm gonna educate you on how you can avoid crypto scams. Like, there are lots of scammers right now on Binance P2P who are looking for ways to steal your money. So in this video, I'm going to show you different instances with an example of what happened with me yesterday that I want to share with you so that you are going to be aware of these scammers out there who are just there to extort your money. So this is what we're going to discuss on today's video. If say you are new on my platform, you are watching the BETONG's media, I'm your guy, the BETONG. Yeah, I talk about cryptocurrency, NFTs, Web 3.0, how you can build wealth from scratch, and also how you can advertise and market your business if say you are into business. Before you perform any trade, you should check the terms and conditions. It is very important. Let me go right now to Binance P2P so I can show you exactly what I'm saying. So let's say you are here and you want to buy crypto, right? You need to check the terms and conditions of the buyer or seller before you even perform the transaction. So when you come here, for example, let's say you want to buy, you check, you see here terms and conditions. Yeah, this guy say, hi, use only this account, vivid name, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. So this is the account he wants you to use. And when you come to this other guy, like down here, you will see that this guy doesn't have a terms and condition. And if you go down, you see this other guy, he has terms and condition. It says back, I don't know, this is a language, I don't know this language, but so if say you know this language, this is what he's trying to say, before you make payment. And if you go down, you see most sellers, they have like this one, he or she has outlined so many of his terms or her terms and conditions. Here it says only payment from the account holder is accepted, payment from third-party account are not accepted, refrain from taking the order from users with less than 35 completion trades, do not mark the order as paid without first making the corresponding transfer, since if you do, it will be reported to support and consequently your account will be blocked. So this person has outlined his or her terms and conditions, so you need to make sure you go through all this. If say you don't want to be scam or lose money with Binance P2P, because if say you don't perform this well, the buyer or the seller can take advantage of this and you might end up losing your money. Most people might take advantage of this and you end up losing your money. And also, before you buy here on Binance P2P, you need to understand something. There are sellers or buyers who will come and inflate the price. They will have so high prices, and most of them haven't trade for a long time. Like this guy has just 8 orders, this one just 1 orders, and you see this guy has 747 orders. It means he has been trading for a long time now. And look at the prices here in different, and this is wise. There are different payments methods here, and most of these guys have been performing so many trades here. Let me look for different payments so we can see exactly what I'm talking about. There are many merchants here that are trying to inflate the prices, so you need to check, because someone can come here for the first time and they try to inflate the price. That might cost you money if say you go and place the order, the person might not be, willing to trade with you. They have different means that they can use to extort money from you. So you need to always be careful when you trade with different traders here or with different merchants here on Binance P2P. Another thing you need to understand is you cannot release crypto without you receiving payment, right? Always release crypto when you have received payment. And if say the buyer or the seller is trying to ask more questions, you need to provide them the receipt that okay, or with a screenshot that you haven't received yet payment. And I'm going to show you guys something that I made me to do this video. One guy came yesterday, wanted to buy from me, and this guy turned out to be a scammer. I'm going to show you guys exactly, because I think they are using this as a way to actually extort money from people. And he tried to intimidate me to release crypto to him, but I didn't, because I don't, I've been trading here for a long time now. So this is a guy, he ordered for $60. So let me show you guys our chat. So we have been chatting. I've been like, okay, he came, you say, let me just show you guys. Come, let me go up again so I can show you from the beginning. When he pretended to have made payment, he he confirmed that he has made payment, and he came like, what? I said, AP won't change anything. I think we had a conversation. I don't know why the other message isn't loading, but he said he's gonna do an AP. I said, okay, well, AP will change anything. And he says there are the photos of payments. Are you here? Photos of payment doesn't mean I have received payment. That's what I responded to him. And that means if I am sending you the capture of the payment, go and check how many trades I have made. Yeah, relax. I'll release crypto when I get money. So this is what I told him, and he says, I mean, the payment I sent you didn't arrive. It will remain like this. So he's asking that, okay, if say the payment he made to me didn't arrive, so it means I won't release crypto. Of course, I won't release crypto. So this is what got my attention. Now, he tried to send money to me using this, okay, my name, everything, then Venezuela, I don't live in Venezuela, all these bank details, this is not me, right? So I asked him, but why is this receipt carrying Venezuela as my country? I don't live in Venezuela. If you deal with merchants that place small orders, they are a problem. And like, for example, this guy, he has done just 9 trades, and look at his percentage of completion, just 64%. So this is important, guys. If say you want to place an order, try to look at their completion, percentage. From 80 and above is good, right? 80 and above is good. But when you start seeing 64, 9 trade, it means this guy is fishy somehow. So I try to make him to understand that I cannot release crypto unless I receive money. He says, I made the payment, I send you the receipt, and what do you want me to do? I have not received money. I'll release crypto only when I receive money. If money haven't arrived, cancel the transaction. If you send money, wait and I will release when it arrives. So the appeal will block your account until you receive my payment. So he's trying to tell me that, I'm going to do an appeal. He's trying to intimidate me. I'm going to place an appeal. And if say you don't release the crypto, appeal will block your account until you release my crypto. So he's trying to make me to feel, okay, since this is 60 euros, and he has scanned those stuff and sent to me, I should just accept that, okay, this is good. The money is going to come to my account, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. But I didn't, I tried to communicate with him to understand who he is, and if say he's really serious, and so on and so forth. I went on and said, I'm a verified trader, and I have done more than 400 trades. Appeal won't block my account. So my payment was in vain. Okay, this is what caught my attention even more. He says, so my payment was in vain. Who says your payment was in vain, right? If you have made payment, wait, and you put the country Venezuela, it means you are making payment from Venezuela. I live in Europe and you are paying from Venezuela. That's international transfer, which means it won't arrive on time. So I say, I think you just come here to cause problem. I'm going to report you if you keep on doing this. I said I didn't receive payment, so be patient and wait, or I will report you. I trade thousands of euros. Do not come here with 60 euros and make noise. Right, guy? I trade thousands of euros. So this guy's coming here with 60 euros to make noise. It's like he doesn't understand what he's doing, right? He thinks if you call the name appeal, I'm gonna be panicking to release crypto because I don't want my account to be, blah blah blah. So this is it. In the end, this is what happens. Let me just show you guys. You say, my God, I think you don't understand, right? I'm making the payment from Germany. I mean, I made the payment in Germany, not in Venezuela. Obviously, the payment cannot be made in Venezuela. That payment comes from Germany. Where are you from? He's trying to know where I am from. But guys, I showed you the receipt. It states that I live in Venezuela. So they made a mistake when they were editing the receipt. They didn't do it well. So people can, fabricate receipt. And if say you're keen enough, you can see that this is a scam or this is fake. And I went and said, okay, I understand now. I'm asking you, why is Venezuela mentioned on my receipt? And this was his statement, like, scam. How I'm going to scam you if I made the payment or you don't see the payment capture? The one who wants to scam me is you, who doesn't release my payment, having the payment ready. So that's what he mentioned. Okay, I want to scam him and blah blah blah. So he says, did the money come to you or not? Now we came down and he says, good, okay, thanks, I lost my money. How can you say you lost your money when we are still waiting for the payment to arrive? If you say you did make payment, then you shouldn't be scared of losing money, right? It means you're just trying to extort money from me and you're trying to play, this kind of stuff to make me release crypto to you. I went forward to scan my account and send to him that I haven't received payment, so he can see that I haven't received payment. I now respond to him that no one is losing money yet, so relax. From the way you speak, I think you do this kind of thing always here. P2P means person to person. It has rules you must respect. If payment is not received, it means no one should release crypto. If payment was made, then it will arrive. Well, like, that's exactly what it is. If payment was made, then it will arrive. Well, let's hope I'll send you an appeal so that when the money arrives, you can pass it to me, because if in 6 hours no one passes the money or the transaction passes, it is cancelled and I lost. Who says that? I understand the rules, the laws of P2P. No one says that once you have marked payment as paid, right? After 6 hours, you're gonna cancel if say blah blah blah. No, maybe after 4 days, 5 days, 10 days, whether you guys are working towards proving that you have made payment to the person who is claiming you haven't made payment, right? You have to prove. Binance will come in to mitigate, to make sure things are going on well. Let's hope I send you an appeal. Okay, I've read that. Where are you from? Let's see if because it's from Germany, the money hasn't arrived to us. Well, you want to know where I'm from, right? I didn't tell him that. I'm not yet to say. And boom, he says scammer. When he mentions scammer is when I appeal to support that this guy is doing crazy stuff and I think he's a scammer. And this is what I wrote to him. It's okay, allow Binance to handle the case because I don't believe you made payment. If you did make payment, Binance will allow the payment to be received by me before I can release crypto. You have no patience. I try to explain to you, but I see you don't understand how Binance P2P works. Then I called him scammer. You cancel the order. When I made an RP, he canceled the order because he knew he cannot provide real proof that he made payment. So guys, I said, let me come here and show you guys this. I know this has taken a lot of time to an extent, but it's good that you follow, to understand that there are ways in which merchants who are scammers who want to extort money from you, you need to pay attention to these guys. Don't just go there and release crypto because they try to intimidate you. And also make sure you always confirm, double check before you release crypto. Don't, at times you might have like multiple orders coming. Make sure you are clicking on the right order to say payment received. I've had people who cancel orders. They thought they canceled order and the money was sent to me and I return the money back to them, or I tell them go and and place the order again, and I'm gonna release crypto to you. I am not here to extort money from people. I'm here to trade and make money, and I'm doing this video because I don't want you guys to fall prey to these scammers out there who are just there to extort money from you. And as I mentioned, here on Binance P2P, you can make lots of profits if say you know what you're doing, if say you do it right. Always avoid third-party payments. There are people who will use your name and send and do their foul play. Like for example, scammers might be doing their stuff and they meet someone who want to pay in cryptocurrency. They will give your name to make payment and you release them crypto. This is what has been going on. This is how they go about doing stuff. So you might be there doing your stuff in good faith without knowing that someone has used your name to scam someone else somewhere, and they'll be thinking that you are the one who is a scammer, whereas they are the ones who use your detail through Binance P2P. So you have to be careful as you go about trading on Binance P2P. Don't just accept third-party payment because you want money fast. No, take your time. There are going to be real merchants who will come to you to place real orders, and you're going to make money. Don't rush to want to make so many trades per day. Not every day is good. There are days that you're going to make so many trades, and there are days that you're going to make, few trade. But within the month, you're going to make lots of profit if you are consistent doing this and doing it full time. So if say this content was helpful to you and you want me to create more of such content, then you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button right now. Like, go right down there and subscribe, like this content, and if possible, share it with your friends who do Binance P2P so that they will not fall prey to such scams. Binance P2P, as I mentioned, is a good platform to make money. So you want to subscribe to my platform because I'm going to be talking more about Binance P2P and give you guys more tips on how you can trade on Binance P2P. I've done a video, you can check it here, and the video is more of better ways that you can utilize to make awesome profits on Binance P2P. Until then, I wish you guys the best and see you in the next video. Bye bye.